Hi, I'm Maria and I'm going to explain you how to make a blur background in any photo that you want. Firstly, we have to choose a photo. In this case, I have chosen this one of a lizard climbing up a mountain. What we're going to do is to blur out the background while keeping the lizard in focus to create a shallow depth of field effect. Now, I'm going to click on the image file and I'm going to drag it and drop it to GIMP. And now we click maintain. The first thing we're going to do is select the layer of the image and we're going to click on the duplicate button. Then we're going to select the top layer and we're going to click on filters, blur and Gaussian blur. The horizontal and vertical value are linked so that they are the same. We're going to put 40 in one of them and we will see that the other one has changed too. When we have done it, we click accept. And now, as you can see, the image is all blurred out. Next, we're going to click on this eye icon on the top of the layer in order to hide it, and what we're going to do now is create a selection around the subject, which in this case is the lizard. To do this, we're going to put the free selection tool zoom in the subject and try to make a precise selection of it. Now, when we have selected all the subject, we have to zoom out, and in order to make the selection of it softer, we're going to click on select. Further, we're going to leave the default value to 5 and we're going to click on accept. Later, we're going to click on the eye to bring back again the blurred out layer, and to make the subject visible, we're going to do right click on the top layer and we're going to click on add layer mask and add now. Next, we have to select the fuzzy brush. We're going to make it much bigger. We're going to leave the opacity at 100%. Now we click on the layer mask that you have just created and then paint inside the selection. When you have done this, you have to click on select none, and that should get rid of the lines. Finally, we have to export the image and save it as a JPG. And we have our photo with a blur background.